Good evening. Welcome to the ILM Academy of Higher Learning. Today, I am Muskan Agarwal along with Mansi Keshri. The SCOP members are here to interview our senior, Mr. Vishal Kumar Chaubey.
Good evening. My questions to you is, tell us about yourself and your family members.
Good evening. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I'm feeling blessed for that. Coming back to your question, my name is Vishal Kumar Chaubey. Basically, I belong from Bihar, Buxar, but currently me and my family are settled in Lucknow. In my family, my father is an army person, my mom is a homemaker, and I have two siblings, one my sister and my brother. My sister in the final years of BSc BA, and my brother in 12th standard, and he is a sports person also. Coming back to my academics, currently I am pursuing PGDM Finance from ILM Lucknow. I did my graduation from Uttaranchal University is BCom Finance Honours in Dehradun. I complete my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhatinda Camp Commerce from Punjab. Recently, I completed my summer internship program in CIL. CIL stands for Center of Investment Learning and Education. In CIL, my profile was as a BDA intern, business development intern. In CIL, I have to work like merging the mails, data mining, and calling to the professional for the acquisition, financial professionals. I have also work experience, 1 year work experience in Silicon India as a marketing research executive. Silicon India basically is a marketing media company based in Bangalore. As like I said, I am a finance student. I also did an ISM 5-year certification from 60% of marks. I completed my NISM certification. And if I tell about my achievement in ILM, I cracked the interview of SCOP members. I'm the SCOP head of my batch, and also I'm your senior SCOP. In ILM, I also cracked the interview of Mark Cardinal Marketing Club president.
Okay, thank you. It was lovely hearing you. And before moving ahead, I would like to congratulate you for your selection in Chargo Education.
Thank you so much.
So it was a series of placement for you. So before selecting in Chargo Education, you must have faced many rejections also. So can you tell us that how you keep motivated yourself?
Yes. First of all, it's just a part. Being a student and a master student, there is a lot of competition. For myself, yes, I am good enough, but for the interviewer, I don't think so. They are thinking I am good enough. I rejected lots of companies. Like before Jaro, I applied 5 more companies like Sians and Marico and etc. companies. I rejected some. In some companies, I rejected. I don't even shortlisted. And in some companies, I reject from GD. In Sians, I rejected from the 3rd round. It's actually very depressing and downfalling. But the thing is, I always follow a word line: will over skill. I never quit my will. I know how to stand after falling, and there is also a major part. This faculty called Professor Devesh sir. He always help me and guide me how to come again for the next interview and how to prepare myself. And even in college, the director, ma'am, Dr. Nana Viti, ma'am, she is my CDB in charge. She always told me, don't underestimate your thing just because you reject in a company. Just think some God is planning something good for you. So keep motivate yourself, and that's the all things help me to motivate me and stay positive for the interviews for the Zara education. And finally, I am selected.
Thank you, sir. I think I have also learned many things from you. Thank you. So our next question will
Can you share with us the process of Zara Education?
Yes, sure. In Zara education, there is 3 process actually. The first one is GD. In GD, the GD is kind of extempo. They give me the topic of pollution in India, and the second round is HRPI, and third round is a manager PI.
So can you brief us about the PI's question?
Yeah, sure. Like I already told, there's 2 PIs. In HRPI, the normal question is always all interviewers ask, tell me about yourself. I told them, tell me about myself. Then she gave me a scenario-based question. The pure scenario sales-based question is like, she said, there is a lady in Sahara Desert and she's living there she's born and brought up there and she's living currently there. And you have to sell a raincoat to her. Then I tried to pitch her, and quite she impressed, and she purchased the raincoat there. And if I talk about the HR manager PI round, it's like manager PI rounds are something where they are not going to ask us some simple question. Like she started the interview like, tell me about yourself, tell me about yourself, but don't mention that thing which already in your CV. I give the answer. It's a very tricky one, but I give the answer, sort of give the answer. Then the second round, she started asking about like I'm a finance student. So why I am in a marketing field? It's a totally different thing. So I counter the question. I counter the question and give the answer like I'm a sportsman. Sports and the marketing and sales field are same because in sports we have to make strategies, new tactics for the different team because every team have their own unique weapons. So we have to make strategies. And if we quit, if we quit and if we start feeling like we don't have the skills to beat them, to beat the team, so we can't stand there. The same thing is happening in sales. In sales, we have to daily talk to different people, different perspective and different thoughts. So we have to tackle it differently, uniquely every time.
So as you told us that you switched your domain from finance to marketing, and same question you were asked in your interview also. So can you tell that how you tackled that question?
Yes, first thing, I'm a financial services student. Services means selling the products of financial products in the market. It's a sales and marketing field also. In Jaro, if I'm based in Jaro, the process are same, only the product are changed. So I know how to pitch, how to tackle in field and how to acquire clients because the pitch are always same. Only thing that change is there is a product. Like in financial services, they are like mutual funds, loan. In Jaro education, I have to sell admissions and courses. Process are same. And the second best thing is I have experience in marketing. So I know I know the strategies of marketing. I know how to selling process. What are the processes of selling? Like being a seller, being a salesperson. First of all, the most important thing for me, being a salesperson, is knowledge and confidence. If you don't have knowledge, confidence never going to work because if I have confidence, I can speak fluently, but I don't have knowledge. So knowledge and confidence are the best weapons for being a salesperson, and I think I have both of them quietly.
So the last question for you is how excited you are for your new job?
Excitement. You can see my face, and you can also tell me how I am excited. I'm excited like a hill of mountain. I'm not a fresher, but being a student, living a student life and get placed in the college placement, and the happiness, the excitement are on on the seventh sky. I can't explain in words, but you can see my expressions of how excited I am. And the one more thing, it's a new challenge for me because I work as a marketing research executive. It's a totally backhand job. Now I'm going to work as a salesperson. It's a frontline job. There are lots of barriers, lots of hurdles there which I have to. And I'm looking like getting fun.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious time and for being with us. And it was great learning from you. Hopefully, the site will change the next year and we'll be great as you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.